Welcome to my channel, everyone. In this video, I am going to be reviewing Saludos Amigos Ramone. Now, as you probably know, there have been quite a lot of different variants of Ramone, including his new purple one with the Dawn of Flames, which is his most iconic one in my opinion. His red one, the yellow one, dark green. The lime green one cars too, you know. What else is there? There is the ghost light one, that blue one, as well as many others. And obviously this is one of them, probably the most intricate, the most, probably one of them. You get what I mean. And now, if you're wondering where he appeared in this. This Ramone appeared at the end of Cars 3, hence the 51, because that's obviously Cruz's number, and Cruz became the Dynaco racer, and yeah, you get the point. So that's hard. Saludos Amigos, Saludos, something. Hello, rhyming something like hello friends. I don't know. I don't speak Mexican. I do speak a little French, so obviously he is Ramone, 59 Impala, as you can probably tell, and he's got the American and the Mexican flag on his bonnet. Got some nice grey and blue things about stuff going on. Obviously he's got the 51 on top, because he's sporting Cruz, but why the Mexican design? Why? I want to know. Oh, I just noticed something. By here, it says Oil Pan Americana. You probably can't see it that well, but it's there. Trust me. Well, here we go. Here's probably the most detailed bit. Is Oil Pan Americana. Rally Mexico, and there's a map of them, the Americas. So it says North America, Canada. I don't know. Probably a little bit. I don't know. Yeah, Cuba. Probably Cuba. Well, not Cuba. Cuba's too small. Same from like Jamaica and yeah. Now for a side, you've got Oil Pan Americana again. This time, again. And let's see. What does it say? It says something in Mexican. Let me have a look. Ramone's House of Body Arts. So it's not in Mexican after all. Sydney has got some ticket sponsors, so there's Piston Cup, Codeco Motel, the Dynaco logo, the old one, and, well, I can't really read the old ones. Low and Slow is number plate, which is quite a nice thing, quite a nice detail if you ask me. Loads so, which is why Harry likes to cruise, low and slow.